channel. So this video is going to be the second part of my thrift haul. Like I mentioned in the first haul, I have more like office decor pieces that I wanted to include in a separate video, but I forgot that I had a pair of shoes and pants that I did not include in the last video, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with those. The first are these they're like sweatpants that I got from Goodwill. They are from H&M. I cannot remember the price that I paid for them because they've already been washed and everything, but they are like black and white pattern, and they have like a full leather detailing going all along the sides and on the pockets, and they are functional pockets on the inside. And I do like the way these fit. They are a pretty good fit, and they also have like a scallop detail on the bottom of it that I really like. So I'm really looking forward to wearing these. I could wear them with like heels or some booties just to create a simple, comfortable outfit. I want to say that these pants were probably like $4 or $5 because they were like 50% off whatever the price on the tag was. So no more than $5 for these pants, and they are really good quality. They're really warm and comfortable. I did already wear them once, and I thought that, you know, they're really cute. The fit was really nice. The next items are a pair of shoes, and they are these 9 West heels that I got, and these were really cheap. They were like $1, $2 or $1, and they have a really low heel, but I still found that they were cute, and you can't go wrong with a pair of black heels. So these are the 2 items that I forgot to include in the last clothing/shoe haul. But now we're moving on to my studio setup decoration items. The first would be these 2 glass bottles with like gold on the cover. I guess it's for like liquor or something. I don't know. I thought that'd be really cute to put on top of my little cubbies. So one says rye, one says scotch on it, and it does like come off. But I was thinking about putting like sand or something inside of it, but I think I'll leave it as is. I think I'm just gonna leave them there. They were both 69 cents each. One of them says 99 cents, the other one says 69 cents on the price tag, but the lady ended up giving it to me for 69 cents each, which is really nice of her. So I thought these were cute pieces to add a little fun detail to my little office setup. Next item is a pineapple, and as soon as I saw this I immediately thought of SpongeBob. I know, but it has a door on it and everything because you can put a candle inside of it, but it just reminded me of SpongeBob's, like it reminded me of SpongeBob's house. When I purchased this, I intended to spray it gold, and I still plan on doing so. I started to fall in love with the color that it is now, but in order for it to go with my theme that I have with the gold, I think I might end up spraying it gold, or maybe just put a gold candle on the inside. So we shall see. This was $2.99, and this is my little pineapple. The next items are a set of 3, and they are these little baskets, these metal like bolt baskets. This one was $1.99, and the smaller ones were 99 cents each. And I got 2 small ones and 1 large one. So what I plan on doing with this is getting like some foam from the dollar store and just adding flowers, just making them like little baskets filled with like the flake flowers sticking out the top of it. I'm thinking the bigger basket might be for like storage, so I may actually put like all of my DIY, like my E6000 adhesive and beads and all the rhinestones and stuff that I use. I might use that for the bigger basket. So this one is the next piece, and it is like a woven vase with the little grass on the top of it. It's really cute. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I need to get this. Like, this is so cute, and I think it was like $2. They didn't have a price on it when I bought it, but they gave it to me for $2. I didn't mind paying that because I haven't really seen anything like this. And if it is at Good Home Goods or something like that, it's probably like $15. So when they said $2, I was like, okay, I'll take it. That's fine. I'll pay $2. So this is probably my favorite of everything that I've gotten thus far. Next are these picture frames. I purchased 3 of them, and they are like Tommy Hilfiger, I guess. So I have these 3 gold frames, and I haven't put any pictures in them, and I don't think I really will, because I don't know, I just really love the frames. Like, it's very simple and sleek looking, so I think I might just leave them as is for now until my daughter fills it up with her own picture. But yes, it has the gold details. They're very thin, very cute, and nice for, like, you know, just to have as decor, because I love the line, like the print that it comes with. I just love how that is. So these were probably, I want to say, 25 cents each, and I just have them in my cubby like I have everything else. When I walked into the store, I went in a couple different times to Goodwill, but I was looking for something, anything gold. My goal was to get anything gold, and the first time that I went, I found this adorable gold clock, which matched every other piece that I had purchased. So I was like, okay, I have a clock and this just works. Like, it just matches. It's really cute. It's gold. I don't even need it to work. Like, I just need it for decoration purposes. It was $3.99, and I was like, all right, this is perfect. And then I went back again and I found this Rolls gold clock for $5.99. So I really love this one. This one is a more modern looking clock to me, but I also really love the traditional. So I have 2 clocks right now, and I don't know what to do with them. But this one does still work. The color of this one is really nice. So I don't know. I have 2 clocks that I just could not leave behind at Goodwill. I went to, not Goodwill, but another thrift store, and I found this trash can, and it was $2.99, and it's really a good size. Like, it's pretty big. So I'm gonna spray this one gold and see how it turns out. So that'll be in an upcoming video. But I really love that it was a pretty good size. All the other trash cans I was finding at the other stores were like a matte gold, but I wanted like a shiny gold to match everything else that I was getting, and this one worked out perfectly. So the next item is like a why did I buy this kind of purchase, but when I said I wanted to go in the store and find anything gold, I literally did that. Like, the cashiers were even like, well, I guess you like gold, because everything that I got was gold. But I bought this lamp, y'all, for $4.99, and I don't know, like, I really fell in love with it the first time that I saw it, but I just don't like how you'll see the bulb here. And I bought it to go on my desk, but because I'm always doing like a DIY project, I really don't even have room for it. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not, but it's so cute. Like, I just loved it because it was gold. It was exactly what I was looking for. It's very antique, very vintage looking, and I really like it. I just don't know if I'm gonna use it. But it was $4.99, and I was like, oh, all right, I guess I'll get it. It's gold, it works. But now I don't have anywhere to put it, so we shall see. If I get more pieces, like another stand or something, I'll probably put it on another stand. But as of right now, it's a questionable item. Another item is this heart pillow that my mom actually got for me. She's always looking out, she's always holding it down, and she knew that I was decorating my little area, so she found this and she knew that it was perfect for me. And when I saw it, I fell in love, because I plan on doing a DIY project with the chair that I'm currently sitting on that you'll see in a minute, and it will have like white fur that I also got from Goodwill. So, or she got from Goodwill. So yes, I have this heart-shaped pillow that just works out really well. It fits well with what I plan on doing with my office. The most difficult item for me to find was the desk. I searched literally every single thrift store I could think of in order to find a desk. I even checked online because I was like, you know what, I'll just get a brand new desk. Although I wanted everything to be thrifted, I just decided, you know what, I can't find a desk at a thrift store. I'm just gonna have to go online or go to a store and purchase a regular price desk, a brand new desk. But all the desks I found in the style that I wanted were about $400 or $500, and I'm definitely not spending that much money on it. So I told my mom about it, I told my dad about it, to keep an eye out for a desk that I could use, that I could find, and preferably like a white desk, because I want it to be more of like a modern style. Even if I have to fix it up a little bit, I didn't mind. I just want it to be a white desk. So one day my dad called me and he told me that he found a desk and it is perfection. All I have to do is spray the legs on it. So it is an all white desk. It opens up on the side and it has silver legs, but I will be spraying the legs gold. So that will be in a video coming soon. Just to vamp it up so that it matches everything else that I have going on in the office. I absolutely love this desk. I already had the office chair, which you will see next, before I had the desk. So I knew that I was going to have to revamp this chair, and I knew that it was going to be like white. And so that's why I really wanted the desk to be white as well. And the desk is perfection. Like, it's the perfect height, perfect size, everything. Like, I literally fell in love with the desk, and I believe it was about $90. So on the pricier side, but I had to kind of spend a little bit more for exactly what I wanted. So about $90 for the desk, and I absolutely love it. Now onto the chair. The chair I found a while back, and this is kind of what triggered my idea to create like an office studio area. And the chair was $199, and it was probably the dingiest chair in the store, but of course I saw potential in it. I fell in love with the chair, so I will be removing the material off of it and replacing it with some fur, some white fur that my mom found, and that will be my DIY project, an office chair DIY. Well, the bottom cushion I absolutely have to change. The back part of the chair, I was thinking that I would have to remove it and change it and add the fur there as well, but I think that might be a little bit more complicated. If it doesn't look right, then of course I'll find a way to like add the fur to the top of it, but as of right now, because there is a wood around the rim of it, I will leave it as is and see how it looks with the white fur. Alright guys, so that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos where I'm going to be doing some DIY projects using some of the pieces that I have purchased, doing cheap DIYs, and I will be sharing that with you guys. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.